Namaste everyone and welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we will discuss the ongoings in the fashion, gems and jewelry industry. I am Swara, the world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network. I am here to share the latest updates about the industry with you. On 23 July 2024, the Finance Minister, Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman, presented the Union Budget for 2024-25, and the Indian gems and jewelry industry welcomed it wholeheartedly. Here is the latest news in Indian gems and jewelry. Union Budget 2024 updates for the gems and jewelry industry. Import duty reduced for gold and silver to 6% and 6.4% for platinum. Safe harbor rates for foreign mining companies selling rough diamonds. The diamond sector is exempted from a 2% equalization levy aimed at promoting sustainability. The Grand Abhushanam by GJC, supported by Chennai Wholesale Jewelry Association, held in Chennai was a glorious success. They celebrated Abhushanam night meeting industry dignitaries with music, fun and entertainment. The 40th edition of IIJ's Premier 2024 is scheduled for 8th to 13th August in Mumbai. The Swarnshilp Bachao Committee organized panel discussions on One Nation One Rate, powered by GJC and endorsed by prominent industry figures and stakeholders, with Swar Media as the exclusive media partner. The discussions delved into the advantages, obstacles, and remedies for implementing a unified gold rate system in India. JJEPC held its first meeting with the Kashmir jewelry trade community in Srinagar to discuss market trends and collaboration opportunities. Malabar Gold and Diamonds celebrates nature and womanhood with its new Nuva Diamond collection, unveiled by Kareena Kapoor Khan in the UAE. CaratLane's new Wear Your Wins campaign, featuring Nancy Tyagi, celebrates women's achievements with its Peak collection. The campaign showcases an Everest cut designed to honor personal triumphs. Kalyan Jewellers opened its third Pune outlet. Inaugurated by Vicky Kaushal, this store marks the 20th store in Maharashtra. C Music co-presents Nashe Mein Hai, the new party anthem by Kamakhya Jewellers director Poonam Jha was launched by Pooja Batra. The song is now available on all major streaming platforms.
करने लगा है इश्क तंग मुझे, हद बद कोई समझाना ना मुझे, हे करने लगा है इश्क तंग मुझे, हद बद कोई समझाना ना मुझे, मैं तो हर हद से गुजर जाऊंगी.
Here is the latest news from the international gems and jewelry. Oded Edelman sold over $1.5 million in Signet stock on July 17th and 18th, holding 37,398 shares. David Yurman, in partnership with Watches of Switzerland, has opened its first UK shop-in-shop at Mappin and Webb's Regent Street store. De Beers may cut 2024 production amid weak demand and oversupply, maintaining a 26 to 29 million carats forecast. Sibjo Academy and GIT will offer a 3-day course on ethical and sustainable jewelry practices from August 21st to 23rd, 2024 in Bangkok. De Beers Sky Park in Johannesburg earned top green ratings for its sustainable design and energy efficiency by the Green Building Council of South Africa. Buccellati's new Hawaii Oval collection features elongated oval designs and hand-twisted threads. Van Cleef & Arpels Poetry of Time exhibition at Chadstone, Melbourne, from July 17th to 30th, showcases 40 unique timepieces. The Indian fashion is showing its charm as usual. Tarun Tahiliani, Amit Agarwal, Falguni Shane Peacock, Gaurav Gupta Couture, JJ Walia, and many more will present their latest bridal collections at the FDCI Manifest Wedding Weekend on August 3rd and 4th at Taj Palace, New Delhi. Anita Dongre's Rahi bridal collection blends traditional crafts with modern style. Masaba Gupta's new collection, Araha, offers vibrant prints, colors and contemporary designs perfect for weddings and festive events. Khaitan & Co. advised Aditya Birla Fashion on acquiring a 51% stake in Goodview Fashion, the parent company of Tarun Tahiliani, increasing its stake from 33.5%. Tasva's new campaign celebrates Team India's Olympic journey with elegant ceremonial attire. The film stars Neeraj Chopra, Sharat Kamal, and Manpreet Singh. Yves Saint Laurent Beauty is now in India, offering luxury makeup, skincare, and fragrances. We have some interesting news from international fashion market. Richmond Group saw a 27% sales drop in China, Hong Kong, and Macau during the fiscal first quarter, reflecting weak demand in the region. Dolce & Gabbana is considering an IPO to value the brand at €6 billion as the founders prepare for succession and focus on growth, especially in the US. Christian Louboutin's Bracecaba bag celebrates Brittany's heritage with canvas and felt designs. Blackpink's Lisa is Louis Vuitton's new ambassador. Bulgari's exhibition of the Toulonia collection, featuring over 100 Greek and Roman sculptures, has opened at the Louvre. That was all for today. Thank you everyone. We will see each other soon with more updates. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, शुभ रात्रि, शबा खैर।